right back to work on ordering some parts, and so he sent us with Trailmater.
Like crazy right now.
All right, here we go. All right, nicely done. That looks fun. All right, Shawn, what do you think? You got this?
Oh yeah.
This little V-notch thing coming up here. The wedgie. Sway bar, you don't need that.
You like how I fixed it? Because it was going to hit the tire.
Yeah.
We went down one of the passes and all of a sudden I couldn't turn and spraying everywhere.
Oh no.
Everywhere. So
the disappointing part is there isn't much of a story. We
Right.
didn't hit anything.
Well, I did go down the first half without power steering. I knew I couldn't make that second half.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna get this new line on there and get you guys patched up.
Thank you.
You guys rock.
We're on day 3.
Right on.
And we're like, oh yeah, we're gonna run into him somewhere along the line.
Yeah, Rory's down there. That's why he sent us out here. You have to order parts. But he'll be in the shop.
Yeah, no, I just want to get a shirt.
Yeah, stop in, get a t-shirt. Or go to trailmater.com. Yeah.
Cool. Right on, guys. You guys
No
have
worries.
a good one.
Hey, thank you. Appreciate you guys. How's that going, Shawn?
Look at me, I'm winning.
Yeah, you're doing great things.
Right here is where it frayed against the belt.
Oh, yeah, right there.
It
That
cut right
is
into it.
all right. So here's our fresh one. One for you. One for me.
Some of the other Jeepers pointed out, they're like, hey, there's something wrong with your sway bar. And you know, snapped.
Yeah. Well, generally, when you're off-roading, you disconnect it. Yeah, you only need to disconnect one side.
Okay.
And then, well, actually, yeah, you got some problems here. It's supposed to be up, like the other side.
That was not like that before. Maybe that's why I couldn't turn anymore.
Yeah, that's definitely why you couldn't turn anymore. So yeah, let's disconnect this one and get that out of the equation.
His hose was over here on this side of the box.
Okay.
So I'm assuming they had work done on it. The guy just never put the hose back where it's supposed to. Can't get my fingers in there. Can't get my hand in there. Mike don't want to do it. It's all Rory's fault.
Yeah, he's not here, therefore blame Rory.
Rory or Justin, one of you two. You know how much time.
Hey, Dallas, you installed this wrong, buddy. The cable is supposed to go under the radiator.
There we go, things are looking a little better. All right, let's see if we can't get this sucker off of here. Ta-da! Okay, now turn back, driver. Okay, that'll work. Oh, man. Okay, we gotta, yeah, we're gonna have to pick up the front of the vehicle like Shawn said. Look at him over there doing tow truck stuff. Okay, stop right there. Perfect.
You like it?
Yeah, it'll do. Okay, let's see if that'll do it. Oh yeah, we got her. Perfect. Okay. There we go. Nice. Well, it's been fun.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Pretty easy. We just got that hose replaced. He called Rory and was like, I can't steer this thing. And we're like, oh, sure you can. We
Yeah.
steer this thing all the time off trails.
Yeah.
And come to find out, his sway bar was keeping it from steering.
Bad things had happened.
Yeah. They're right behind us.
Yeah, look at them. The Jeep is driving. Different.
Did you hear that dog? Almost sounds like the one that
Did you just
almost
run
ate
over a
mine.
corgi? It's fine, they tried to bite me.
You tried petting it or what happened?
I don't know what happened. It was all going really good. They seemed all happy and then they weren't.
They turned on you?
Yeah, they were very Jekyll and Hyde. But anyway, here we go.
Good time.
Good times. Look at that steering. we brought Shawn, our guide.
Our guide, y'all's guide.
These
Check it
are
out right here.
petroglyphs.
This is why we stopped here.
Yeah.
For y'all to see this. So back in the day, the sand was like that high.
Yeah?
I don't know. Maybe it was the river. The water was that high, and they come in here in their canoes and kayaks or whatever they had. And
Yeah. Dude, look how high this river is, though. It's almost to the road.
hold on to my foot right here, and then lay down and see how far it is.
No way.
How tall are you?
I don't want to get wet.
Oh, lizard! It's gonna jump in the water.
Where? Oh no. Welcome to the Mike and Shawn show.
So this is our field trip.
Field trip. Bonus footage.
Bonus footage. Petroglyphs, river, road.
Yeah, there's a lot going on over here.
Look, that one has a bunch of them lined up.
Ooh, yeah. Petroglyphs. This guy.
Alright, so it is Sunday afternoon / evening. I am headed in to the south end of Steelbender. Gonna go get a Can-Am 2-seater. We got the trailer behind me, got the truck. Here we go. That almost came in the cab. That water is deep. Only gonna get deeper as runoff starts coming down the mountain. Wow. Alright. Cruising up here. We crossed the creek about 3/4 of a mile ago. We got a mile to go till them. Just a slow, bumpy road. There's a couple little sand stretches up here where we can make up some time, but got plenty of daylight left, so go up here, get it loaded up, get it out of here. Like that. Turn this way just a hair. There you are, there you are.
Lock your dip.
Perfect. Go ahead and shut her all down and everything. Okay, got it all loaded up, drove itself on the trailer, got it strapped down, everything should go fairly smooth. So it looks like I lost a tire on the trailer. It's definitely flat. I'm not gonna stop until we get down here. There's no reason to stop. The tire's flat. What am I gonna do? But it's also why I run double bead locks. And we just keep going. I'll get down here and let the side-by-sides pass me and check it out. I might overinflate the front one to compensate for it, but such is the way. Those are some pretty old tires on that trailer, so we'll get down here and check it out. Yeah, took her out, so we're just gonna air up that one real high. Rip the sidewall out. These are the old KM2s. KM2s are known to have pretty weak sidewalls. I've been waiting for one to fail so I can finally put some KM3s on it. So now here's my chance. You'll see, that's why no suspension on the trailer. That rim's not touching even though it's flat. But yeah, that way you have a flat, keeps that up. Keep going. Alrighty, well the tire lasted the whole way. Got them down there, got them unloaded. They got it right in the shop, had parts, they were ready to put new stuff in, get it going. So they'll be back on the trail tomorrow. Oh, sweet. Well, here we go. I'm heading home. Luckily, isn't too far from here. And then we'll deal with tires in the morning. Thanks for watching. I got a call for recovery on Steelbender to get it on the side-by-side. I had to race down to the shop and find my old trailer tires that are little tiny donut tires. And they're little scary tires. They're not off-road tires. Let's hope. We'll see what happens. It'll be an adventure either way.
Guy named Dallas.
Guy named Dallas.
Dirty, rotten Dallas.
Suck on that, suckerfish.
All right, back in action. We got them rolling.
Grind them. Can't find them, grind them.
That's what I hear.
Just kidding, Rory. I didn't grind them. That was all sound effects.
Yeah.
Justin added that in.
Yeah,
it wasn't really me.
It wasn't really the sound you think you heard.